I want to share a quick tip to grow your own green onions at home in the winter. So I have one of these came from my garden, and I haven't purchased green onions in a number of years because of how easy they are to grow at home. So here's an onion that came from my garden, and as you can see, it has sprouted and produced this beautiful green onion. So I need the onion right now because I'm cooking, but what can I do in order to continue enjoying the free green onion that this gets? Take your knife, chop this in half, use this entire section here for the onion. I'm going to peel it, I'm going to chop up the greens, they work just great when you need onion. And this section here, as you can see in the center, is forming or is growing green onion. So what am I going to do? I'm going to pop it in this little bowl, and it's going to sit just like this, and it will produce the green onion for me. So that's all you need to do. Now you could find a little container that maybe sits a little bit better. This one here is tipping over, so I'm going to find a little cup, one of those glass yogurt cups, and this will sit upright, and then the green onion will come from the center, and I'll get to harvest it whenever I need it until it no longer works or starts spoiling. That's how you do it. So this is how you grow your own green onion at home. And where will I store this? I will store this on my windowsill in my kitchen, or in a bright spot if you don't have a windowsill. Thanks for watching.